Guys, I'm checking sound right now, but I can't promise anything. I don't even know if I will be able to do this live stream. I'm telling you guys honestly right now, if it's too laggy, I might essentially end the stream. I'm currently not home at the moment. I'm not home at the moment, so I might not end up doing this live stream. It seems like I'm lagging, guys, and I don't know. Let me see. Let me try to test it out. Let me test it out real quick on the screen. I know the sound is on, but I'm not home right now, so my internet is not good. I'm waiting 1 second. You guys will see what I'm talking about when I start drawing. Let's see the drawing if it's laggy, because if it's laggy, I don't want to do it. You see how it's lagging, guys? Let me see if I can drop the frames or something. Give me a second. Give me 1 second, because it's super laggy, and that's very unfortunate. I don't want this lag to continue on. Quick get home. Yeah, I would love to essentially get home. I mean, I'm only going to be home in 2 days, so yeah, it's lagging, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. I don't honestly know. Let me see. I'm trying to fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it. I mean, it's also the Wi-Fi where I am right now. I mean, it's pretty. It's not so fast, so that could be an issue. I could try to take off my camera. Maybe that will be better. It seems that as I'm taking my camera off, it's getting better. Maybe, I mean, I could try to take off the screen. I don't even know why I'm orange. Yeah, I mean, it seems like when my camera's on, it can't pick up the... It can't pick up, because I'm not home right now. Yeah, guys, I think it's my camera when it's on. So when the camera's on, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, well, it looks like we won't be able to do this live stream with camera because it seems like the frames are working pretty well right now without the camera. Let's have a look at the channel real quick. Let's see if it's laggy. 1 second, just give me a second. I'm gonna remove the cam. All right, let's see if it's laggy right now. Yeah, I am. I did it. Yeah, I am removing the camera. All right, perfect. It's not lagging right now, right? Looks pretty good. So what do you guys say? With or without camera? What do you guys say? I mean, without camera, it's less personal. It's a little bit annoying. Okay, cool. So right now, Terra Luna, guys, I mean, it's looking pretty good overall. When are we gonna break out of the wedge? Well, it could be very soon. We do have a little bit of negative signs so far, but they're not so bad. It's not so crazy. We had 3 fake outs right here on Terra Luna, but of course, we are nearing that resistance, and we're very close to breaking out. Now, Terra Luna on the right side of my screen right here, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see right here. If you guys, boom. Everything is red except for, of course, Terra Luna right here. And, you know, we got the Dixie right here, of course. The Dixie's pumping, and when the Dixie pumps, altcoins dump, Bitcoin dumps, stock market dumps, risky assets dump, gold is dumping as well. The only thing that's green is Luna and Luna Classic. So where are we going from here? Let's have a look at the bigger time frames real quick, guys. First of all, Luna is making a nice recovery. That's number one. Okay, we bottomed out right here. at currently at 29. It was a pretty good bottom in my opinion. We exploded. Now the question is are we going to be able to close that candle? We know that in 6 hours and 31 minutes, that's when the candle closes, of course, and we do have some time. We have a lot of time. We have 6 hours and 31 minutes until the daily candle closes right here. So we obviously have good opportunity and a good chance to close above this rising wedge, or falling wedge I should say. Looking pretty good overall. Yeah, I don't have an image. I mentioned, guys, help me out in the chat. Whoever comes in here and says there's no image, let me know. Let them know. I mean, let them know that there's the camera won't be working because it's taking too much energy, I guess. Can we go down and retest this level right here? Maybe we could go down and retest 26. That would be a good, I mean, if you guys remember in my live yesterday, I mentioned that we could do something like this and then dump back down the same way we saw it right here, right? Came up, came down. We're going to have to see. I mean, it's looking pretty good right now. The 4-hour candle does end in 2 hours and 31 minutes. So if we manage to close above this this area right here, it's going to be very good, and it would be a even better confirmation for a long. So yes, right now we do have a long confirmation right here. It was pretty good. We're up 12% in our trades. Of course, guys, very bad. I mean, overall, my trading this month has not been the best. We are still up 100. I believe we're up like 110% now in my trading. So I mean, if I take out my Telegram, I mean, nothing too crazy. We're not, we're not in the best spot, obviously. Let's have a look real quick at my trades. So I said too long Bitcoin. That was good at the beginning. I said too long Ethereum. That's still open. I don't know if you guys saw, but I moved my stop loss to 1550. I also had a buy Lunc signal right here. So Bitcoin got stop loss, unfortunately. I think that could have been a fake out. I think we're going to end up pumping again. Now Ethereum, I still have it open, and Lunc, of course, I don't know why, but my Lunc trades in September have been pure fire. They've been very good, and that's about it. I mean, Lunc is really keeping my gains up. So we're up 113%. Of course, I have to update Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we're over 90% right now. If we win this Lunc trade, we're most likely going to be over 150%, which is fine. But Lune, guys, has really kept my portfolio, my trading portfolio in check, I should say. Not my investing portfolio, my trading portfolio. And that's about it. Of course, the average right here, this is what I said. Stop loss at 1550, average is at 1653. So basically in trading, guys, I wanted to reduce my average essentially. I wanted to bring down my average on Ethereum. So if we go on Ethereum right here, we know that the trend is your friend until it bends. And I did have a stop loss originally at 1600 if you're in my Telegram trading channel. And I had a bounce right here and another bounce right here. So I'm like, okay, guys, I mean 1550 is all the way right here. And I don't think we're gonna come back down and essentially reach these levels. So this is pretty much exactly what is happening. And overall, I mean, 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Sorry, someone is calling me. I mean, yeah, so overall, I mean, right here, 1550, I don't think. Right now, we are getting that bounce, that Ethereum that we wanted. My average is currently sitting at 1653. So once again, guys, if you saw my trading signal, I'm called a long right here. We were doing pretty well at the beginning. Of course, until the CPI came out. It was supposed to be, I really thought that we were going to beat the CPI. I thought we were going to be at, let me pull it out. Let me pull you guys the index real quick. Inflation USA. I'm going to explain to you guys real quick what's going on. So I thought that we were going to be at 8.1, but of course we ended up being at 8.3. That was very unfortunate, and it caused the whole market to crash. Now, what's funny is that last month we were at 8.5 and the whole market started pumping. Okay, the whole market started pumping at 8.5, and this month we're at 8.3 and everything is dumping. So yes, of course, fine, the forecast was supposed to be 8.1. A lot of people were expecting 8.1, but still 8.5 and 8.3 and even 8.1 is still very high. I thought that the 0.2% would even do something, but it did not. So anyways, I brought down my average by buying right here at the bottom at the dip. I kind of took a chance. I really wanted to bring down my average 1654, and that's about it. If we go back to Luna, we look at the shorter time frames. Nothing too crazy overall. I mean, we are in an uptrend. We're in a clear uptrend right here, as you guys can see. I mean, there's nothing, nothing crazy. Of course, this is of course the trend line right here. We know the trend is your friend until it bends. We do have a few hits at the trend line. We had this nice little fake out right here, and it seems like we had a nice little correction right here and another one right here. So maybe this could be a W pattern before continuing to the upside. We're gonna have to see. All right, time to take some questions. Let's see. Let's have a. Yeah, I know. Yeah, there's no image. I answered that already. I think we can go down and retest the lower. I mean, I did mention this in my live yesterday that we could potentially come back to 28, 26 region, depending how, depending what time frame you're looking at. If you're looking at this on the 4-hour time frame, can we come back down and retest this level before bouncing back up? Yeah, very possible. Very possible. Up, no, down. What are your thoughts on the CPI? So yeah, that's what my thoughts were on the CPI. Very disappointed. It really destroyed my trades. I mean, I was in profit by I would say 7% on my Bitcoin trade earlier this morning, you guys, this time. I was up in profit on Ethereum as well, and I was pretty much I don't want to say gambling, but I was hearing some good news on the CPI. There was a lot of rumors and a lot of news saying that it was going to be lower. So, I decided to take the long, and unfortunately that didn't go so well, but Ethereum is still open. I think Ethereum will recover, and that's about it. And Lunc is looking good too. I mean, Lunc is pretty much saving our trading portfolio this month. I mean, if I didn't trade these two Lunc trades this month, let's open back Telegram real quick. So if I go back and I didn't trade, 75% Lunc right here and another Lunc 62%, right? If I didn't take these two trades, I pretty much would have been in the red. So, and those two times I called a Lunc long, which was 1x, not 3x, which was 1x, really, exploded. So right now I called another Lunc long, and we're up 12% already. So, and that's on spot, guys. That's on spot, not even on leverage. So, assuming we explode and we go to TP1, right, on Lunc, we could see 32%, and then we could see another 65% gain. And of course, that's at the breakout. I mean, if we take it right here at the bottom where I essentially called the trade, that's a 75% gain. So can we see a 75% gain on Lunc again? Yes, I think we will. We could definitely see that again. I mean, I think Lunc will retest. The question is are we going to break that resistance? Maybe, maybe not. We have to take it one step at a time. If we do break this level, it's going to be very good. But overall, my two targets are like that. We are up 12-13%. Would I buy in right now? No, I would not buy in right now. I moved my stop loss to my entry price before the dump happened. I am happy to hear that. I mean, Rainer Zufall, I'm happy to hear that. That's very good. I unfortunately did not do that, but I'm happy that my Luna long is still open. And my ETH, I pretty much doubled down on my ETH. I bought some more at 1590, and I was able to bring my average down to 1645. So, but that's amazing. That's amazing that you learned, you did that, and I'm happy that you did that, because losses are, that's never really good, but it's good. Listen, guys, I even said it myself. I said there's going to be a lot of, volatility around 5 minutes after the CPI index, after the inflation reports are going to come out. I mentioned that there was going to be a lot of noise, and this is exactly what happened. Everything dumped. If we go to Bitcoin real quick, I mean, the daily candle is just nasty on Bitcoin, guys. The daily candle is just disgusting. I mean, I don't even know what this was. It's just really disgusting. Look at that. Everything was going good, and then boom, CPI comes out, everything dumps. If we look at the 4-hour time frame real quick, look at that. I mean, the RSI is just coming down. It's not even a curve. It's not even a curve like this. It's just like a straight waterfall. I mean, it's a cliff. It's like you're going this, and then you're coming back down. So that was a very dirty candle on the 4-hour time frame. And of course, right here on Bitcoin, it seems like we want to reverse. It seems like the right here on the RSI, it seems like we want to essentially come back up and retest those levels. Overall, we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see how that happens. Here's the question: how does trading on leverage work? I mean, I could really pretty much show you how trading on leverage work on MEXC, I could open a demo account real quick for you guys. Well, not real quick. I could pretty much show you live how it works. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna open a demo account. The Wi-Fi is so bad here, guys. You don't even know. The Wi-Fi is horrible. Anyways, let me see if I'm on the demo account. I believe this is a demo account. 1 second. Yeah, okay, so I got a demo account right now. Just for those of you guys who don't know what leverage trading is, it's very important to, first of all, use a demo account. Now, how does it work essentially? Well, you leverage, how do you read the charts like this? Is there a quick lesson for that? Maybe consider a video. Yeah, I could definitely do a video. Honestly, joining Crypto Lunc may have been the best decision I've ever made. That's amazing. Good job, boys and girls. Hi from Holland. Hello, Danny. Anyways, going back to leverage real quick, how does it work? Well, this is the MEXC platform, guys. For those of you guys who don't know what MEXC is, you could obviously sign up using my link. And of course, if you sign up, you could get $4,100 in bonuses after you deposit money. Not only will you guys help me, of course, but you will help yourself, and that's about it. 1 second, guys. I think I put someone on a timeout by accident, and I didn't mean to. Just a second, guys. I really didn't. I put you on a timeout by accident. Just give me a second. How do I remove this? Listen, man. I didn't mean Bart DeWitt. I didn't mean to put you on a timeout. I really love you. I was trying to pin the message, and you essentially got in the way. But let's have a look real quick at this. Just a second. Just a second. Okay, so how do you trade? Well, first of all, you have the leverage right here. For those of you guys who don't know, the leverage is the multiplier, right? So how much money can you use to multiply your money? So let's say I want to trade at a 5x leverage, which I don't recommend if you're not a futures trader. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do 5x. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and do BTC USDT as well. BTC USDT. And that's about it. So here's my position, 5x. I want to open. Every 1% is 5% essentially. Okay, so right now I'm opening a long. Let's see if it's working. No, let me open a market just for you guys to understand. I sound too loud. Yeah, I'm gonna explain Lunc in just a second. Here. Anyways, this is just an example trade right here. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna decide to long Bitcoin because I think this could be a good potential long right here. It seems like a reversal is on the way. It seems like the curve wants to come back up. So I decided to long Bitcoin. I am up 13 bucks already, 0.04%. That is, I'm on a 5x long right now, of course, and I have 1.5 Bitcoin open. Of course, depending on the leverage you use, that's how much essentially you're gonna be, buying. The more leverage you use, the more dangerous it is. How do you get liquidated? If you don't have a stop loss, okay, first of all, how do you put a stop loss? I'm going to put a stop loss, let's say right here, TPSL, take profit stop loss. I'm going to go to the right, okay? What's great about MEXC is that you could separate the quantity, okay? So let's say you want to take profit at 22,000. You could do that. That's how much the Bitcoin profit is going to be, 0.000938 essentially, and you could do 100% or you could do 50%. If you do 50%, it will be that. And you could do the same thing for the stop loss. So when I write in my channel, take profit stop loss, this is exactly what I mean. You could do separate quantity or the same quantity. Usually for the stop loss, I like to do 100%, and that's about it. But let's have a look at the same quantity real quick. Let's do 22,000. And of course, stop loss, for those of you guys who don't know, is let's say a position goes below an amount. That's what the stop loss will be. So let's say it goes below 19,000. My position will automatically be closed. Have I ever used 75x leverage? I don't recommend using 75x leverage, but we could try it on this thing. Let's do 80x, for example, for purposes only. I mean, this is not educational, this is not financial advice. But look, I could open a long right here, 80x long on Bitcoin, and look what happens. Look what happens, guys. I'm down $205 on an 80x long, 290. So these things move very, very, very fast, very fast. So it's important. The more leverage you use, the crazier it will be, the more dangerous it will be. Hey, thanks for the donation. Hey, B Kings, I appreciate that. Relax, man. It's not going up now. It's going to take some time. Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, so Look, I'm down. You see, look, 1% is will equal to. I mean, right now I'm on ADX, but when Bitcoin goes down 1%, let's say, right, it's gonna equal 80x leverage. Okay, so right, I mean 80%. So that's why it's very, very dangerous to use 75x leverage, because a lot of people, you know, they do 100, 200, 300x or 125x, and you know they just get destroyed. Guys, this is a demo only. This is a demo only. The more leverage, the more fun. The more leverage, the more fun, and the more dangerous it is too. I mean, a lot of people get liquidated with high leverage. I personally don't like to get liquidated. I got liquidated on a $7,000 crypto. I mean, $7,000 XLM trade back in May, or not May 2022, but May 2021. So this is that. Looking good overall. Lunc is looking great. Lunc is looking fantastic. How about Lunc 2.0? I mean, Lunc 2.0 is up 10%. I don't know what it's doing. I mean, we could be bracing for another for a run. I mean, it seems like we came down, consolidated. It seems like we could go back up. Lunc 2.0. I mean, we could have a pump of approximately 51%. We'll see, but the Ethereum, guys, Ethereum is still open. It seems like it's doing pretty well right now. 1623. Maybe we're gonna have that V recovery shape. We're gonna have to see. My average right now at Ethereum is sitting at 1640 at 55, I think, or 53. I need to check that again, but yeah. Going back to Luna, up 23%. Hey, thanks for the donation again. Do you think we will break to the upside for Lunc? I mean, that's a good question. That's a question I've pretty much been getting for quite some time now. But so Lunc right now is in a bull flag, bear flag, falling wedge, rising wedge. I don't know what you guys want to call it. This is sort of it's not sort of. It is a falling wedge right here. So we are getting tighter and tighter and tighter range. And we should have a breakout right here. So if we close above this area right here, we should make a nice little move to 00058, which would be a 61% gain. Of course, we are up, I believe, 15% from this trade. I think I called this trade. It was right here I called it. So yeah, we're up a little bit over 13% on that trade. But we're going to have to see. I mean, right now, it's looking okay. It's looking okay. We're holding that resistance right now. It's looking pretty good, guys. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, guys. Get me up to 200 views. Push it. Push the like. And, yeah. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. I wasn't prepared to do this live, but I know you guys wanted a update on Luna, so I decided to go live for you guys. I mean, why not? Anyways, yo, I don't understand. Is KuCoin supporting off-chain burns? No. No, KuCoin is not supporting off-chain burns. They are not. KuCoin is not. But I do want to have a look at this as the top burners real quick for Luna. So guys, look, MEXC is still sitting at number 2 with 869 million tokens burned right here. So this is why I am partnered with MEXC. And that's about it. Rafi Crispin, shalom. How are you? So yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna have to see. I mean, the Lunc burn is looking good. Binance is not doing the burn, obviously, only on deposit and withdrawals. KuCoin is of course only doing it next week, I believe. But overall, it's looking fire right here. This Lunc chart is looking good. We're gonna have to see. We had two straight candles. We had a nice little uptrend of no. Guys, KOD, no. The burn has been implemented already for a week already. It's been implemented for a week. Every time you trade on MEXC, guys, the burn happens. 1.2% tax. Today they're just doing an announcement on Twitter Space or something. Yeah, I don't have a camera. The camera is not, I don't know, guys, I don't know what's going on. I mean, I could try to put the camera back on. No promises. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to work. Guys, no promises. I'm going to try to put the camera back on. I know you guys want to see me. Everyone wants to see me. Let's have a look at it real quick. Let's see what we can do over here with the cam. Cam. Let's see real quick. Let's see what's up. Camera. All right. So my camera is on, and it seems like the lag is coming back. I could see the kbps is currently down. Not looking so good. Not looking good. Let's see. What do you mean? Isn't the whole point of crypto to not have a tax? What do you mean by that? We're talking about 1.2% tax of something else. Let's see. What we mean by tax is basically Terra Luna is implementing a 1.2% tax. So that's it. I mean, nothing too crazy. And MAXC is the only exchange to do the 1.2% tax burn to reduce the supply. We're not talking about tax like government tax, if that makes sense. Guys, am I laggy? Can anyone tell me in the group, in the comments, if I'm laggy? If anyone wants to help me and tell me if I'm lagging or not, I mean, that would really, okay, it's laggy. Okay, cool. So let me take out the lag. Let me remove this real quick. I don't know why, but I'm assuming it's not strong enough, the camera. I mean, not the camera, the internet here where I am is not strong enough, unfortunately, but yeah. So that's that. Let's have a look at the EMA ribbons real quick. Another thing that I do want to talk about is the exponential moving average, guys. Right here. So we know that every time we are above the EMA ribbons, right? So right here we were above it. Every time we are above the exponential moving average, right, we're usually in a bearish pattern. And every time we're below it, we're usually in a bullish pattern when we're up, bearish pattern when we're below. So yeah, no, I mean, I'm not home right now. Reiner, I'm not home right now, so I can't really do an internet speed test. It's a little bit unfortunate. I'm not home. I usually have optic fiber. So I have fiber internet, which is very, very fast. It's like copper fiber. That thing is like, it's crazy upload and download speed, but right now it's horrible. I'm at an Airbnb right now, so it's very, very, very bad. Anyway, so right here is, I mean, we did get rejected right here by the EMA ribbon, so we're going to have to be careful. If we have a closure above the EMA ribbon, it not only will it confirm a closure above this, this resistance right here, but it would also be a closure above this area right here, which is the exponential moving average, which would be a nice little confirmation for a long. I mean, right now we are looking good. The trend is your friend, right? Where we are in an uptrend, but we also saw this uptrend right here, so this is why we have to be careful, and we saw this uptrend right here. But a closure above this resistance right here would be very, very good. Copper is not that bad. Once we go above this area, yeah, it should be good. I mean, listen, guys, just make sure you put your stop losses, and that's it. September is known to be a very bad month, and this month was just very confusing because we pumped and then dumped, and I would say that September was probably my worst month in, well, not my worst month, because the month is not over, so I can't really say my worst month, but first 15 days haven't been so great, except for Luna. My Luna trades have really brought everything up to, they've really pumped, like, how do you say that? My Luna trades balanced the portfolio, my trading portfolio. That's what I want to say. So if I really didn't have the Luna trades, I don't know what would happen. I would be in red right now for September. So yeah, it's kind of hard to speak without a camera. I feel like I'm not speaking to anyone. It's difficult. Like, I can't look at the camera. I don't know what to look at. Anyways, let's have a look on the lower time frames. Terra Luna right now real quick, having a look at the EMA ribbons. So we are inside the exponential moving average right now on Terra Luna Classic. We did have this rebound rejection right here. It came back down, another rejection. Looking okay, looking okay. CAG is pumping a little bit. Wow. CAG had a beautiful recovery today. Look at that. CAG, we dumped like crazy. CPI numbers, dumped 7% and then pumped. And then recovered. Beautiful, beautiful recovery. Of course, support sitting right here. This is support for CAG. Resistance right here. So we're at a pretty good spot for CAG. Hi, bro, from India. Nice to meet you. I like all your videos. Thank you very much. No chocolate tonight. I wish I had some sort of chocolate. I mean, I don't know. Hopefully tomorrow. Will it be 25 cents by the end of the year? Terra Luna, 25 cents? I mean, that's asking for a lot. I mean, we still have a lot of burning to do, guys. 25 cents is like, it's crazy. 25 cents is like a whole, it's a whole different story. Guys, this is a demo account. This is a demo trading account, and look what happens when you do ADX. You see? Minus $3,000. Don't do ADX leverage. Anyways, let's have a look at Lunc real quick. I mean, yeah, 6.1 billion. I mean, that's still pretty high. 6.1 trillion, sorry. That's pretty high. That is pretty high. Also, guys, if you want to, join my free Telegram chat channel, yeah, this is my official chat. I'm going to pin it. Feel free to essentially join the chat and, feel free to come in, talk and whatnot. Introduce yourself. Don't forget to introduce yourself. Tell everyone in the group how you got in there. And that's about it. What is Sweatcoin? Everyone's talking about Sweatcoin. Guys, what is Sweatcoin? Where is it on even? Is it on Binance? Is it on KuCoin? What is it? This Lunc rally to 1 cent or more is life-changing event and it's killing us all? Maybe. Bro, I'm not gonna tell you to buy or not to buy. I'm giving water and chocolate. Yes, that is right. Water and chocolate. Yes. Guys, water. Make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you stay hydrated. If you were Lunc is pumping right now. Mini pump happening on Lunc. If you were a millionaire, you would burn every day. I mean, maybe. You could use my affiliate link on the bottom, MEXC exchange, and you could burn. But Lunc is pumping right now. It's looking decent on the 15-minute time frame. We could have a look on the 5-minute time frame real quick. Guys, the internet is so bad. So bad. Disappointed. Disappointed. We broke a downtrend on the 5-minute time frame. Looking okay. It's looking pretty good. It's looking decent. I'm about to go out. Go out to a bar and have fun. 0.001 November. Rafi says. I mean maybe. 0.01 would be crazy. Let's have a look I want to put the weekly time frame real quick. Guys, another thing that I want to talk about right here is that look at this crazy, parabolic move that we went. Corrections on the way is healthy. Corrections happen. Yeah, we exploded. We're going to come back down. But 0.01 end of the year, let's have a look. That would be approximately a 172% pump. Yeah, I could see that. Yeah, Rafi, that's a pretty good prediction. I don't know about November. Maybe, yeah, even November is pretty doable. That's very doable, actually. Do you recommend any crypto games out there? Maybe. Gala games. I heard Gala games. I heard, Sandbox. That's land really. Sandbox. Crypto gaming, I'm not really into the whole metaverse crypto gaming, to be honest, but I heard Gala's pretty good. I need to do more research on Gala games, but I heard they're gonna be good. Like, I know about Gala, obviously, but that's not my, I talk about Cadena, I talk about crypto, not crypto, Cadena, Lunc, Veracity, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Flux. So yeah, I talk about all these coins, but what's a ticker for Sweatcoin? Sweatcoin? What the hell is this? KuCoin? It's on Ku. Guys, you guys need to drop me the ticker for Sweatcoin because I can't find it. I can't find Sweatcoin. Let's see, crypto sweat. I can't see it. I can't see it. You guys are gonna need to tell me something because I can't see it. So yeah, everything went down. Everything got destroyed today. What will be the next technical target if it begins to pump? Don't sweat it. It's on KuCoin. Anyone else? Everyone here is holding Lunc. I'm telling you right now. Everyone in this live is holding Lunc. When do I see Lune correcting? I mean, we corrected already, guys. We were in a massive correction. This is a pretty big correction. If I take this right here and I extend that right here, I mean, I guess like, so my buy was at 28. Okay, we unfortunately didn't get to 28, but I did have a buy on my trading account. So pretty much I have two accounts. I have a trading account and a investment account, and my buy on my investment account was at 28. We didn't buy, but I did buy with you guys on spot. I mean on the trading, on my trading account. It seems like we are ending the wave right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we could have a fifth wave down. I don't know, or it could be ABC. It could also be an ABC pattern. I don't think this is an Elliott wave pattern. I mean, this could definitely be ABC, something like that. But it corrected already, guys. Overall, it corrected. We corrected. This is a correction itself. I like to trade patterns most of the time, and this is the pattern that we're looking at right now. We're looking at this, falling wedge, and it's looking pretty good. 1.2% will burn 8 billion every day. I mean, it depends how we're looking at it. I mean, according to the volume now, I mean, it's not really, because Binance is not really implementing the burn. They're not, unfortunately, Binance is not doing the burn, which is a little bit unfortunate. They're doing it only on withdrawals and deposit. And if you guys can see right here, I mean, most of the volume is coming from Binance, which is a little bit unfortunate because they still haven't done the burn. And of course, KuCoin is second. They're still not doing the burn. They accepted to do the burn, but they still did not do it. And what really sucks is that MEXC is ranked number 18, and it's really unfortunate that a lot of people are not trading on MEXC. I mean, the liquidity is high, guys. They have high liquidity on MEXC. You shouldn't worry essentially about trading there, but it's pretty much unfortunate that Luna fans are not trading there because they're the only exchange doing the 1.2% burn right now, and it's pretty much, it sucks. It's unfortunate that no one's trading on that exchange. Yeah, I know it's coming on the 20th, but still, it sucks. Guys, use my link in the chat to sign up with MEXC. I have a specific special partnership with them. You can get up to essentially $4,100 in trading bonuses. Of course, this campaign is for me only, so it's crypto dose right here. And during the event period, only users who register through MEXC through this unique page, which will be in the link in the description, then you will be getting a bonus up to $4,100. Of course, that depending on how much you deposit, you're gonna have to deposit over 100K if you wanna essentially get that much bonus, and it ends in 17 days and 21 hours. But you also get to help MEXC and the burn for lunatic family and the community, so that's pretty good. That's good that you've been on MEXC 4 months. I mean, by the way, no, MEXC doesn't offer KYC, and you could use it in America. So not only can you use it in America, but it's or worldwide, but they don't have KYC. You don't need KYC essentially, which is pretty fantastic. Seems like right now we're coming back down. The 1 hour just ended on Luna. Let's have a look. So we're entering a new hour right now on Terra Luna Classic. Nothing too crazy. It seems like we're coming back down. Maybe this was a double top. We're going to have to see. I'm not banking on that, to be honest. I'm not rolling on that. Let's have a look at the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI seems like they want to go down. It sucks. It's a little bit unfortunate. Let's have a look on the daily. On the daily, we're looking bullish a little bit. It seems like on a longer time frame, maybe 3-4 days from now, we're going to start pumping again, like really pumping. KYC is not needed for MEXC. If you want to deposit with a bank transfer, then yes. If you want to deposit with a bank transfer, then yes, you need KYC. I am using personally right now MEXC exchange. I'm trading futures. I'm trading spot, ETFs, contract. I'm trading all sorts of things, and I don't need KYC. I haven't KYC, guys. That's not true. You don't need KYC. You do not need KYC. I started trading on eToro just to learn the fundamental on trading as a beginner. Still, what are your thoughts on eToro? Would you recommend moving to another platform, and why? I personally hate eToro. I mean, it's pretty much like, I know centralized exchanges are very centralized, but eToro, it's like you obviously you need to KYC in order to trade, and to fill in all the papers and all the, it just becomes a whole, problematic and a whole problem, and I just don't want to do it. I don't like eToro. They ask for too many things, and they also don't have you. First of all, you can't really leverage trade on eToro. You don't have futures. That's number one. Number two, the fees are extremely high. Number three, eToro, you don't really own the asset, okay? So it's pretty much a contract for difference. So if you want to buy stock on eToro, you don't really own the stock. It's not like a investment broker or IBKR. It's not really anything like that. What else? Anyways, yeah, eToro, you're pretty much just owning the contract. So I personally don't like eToro. There's not a lot of cryptos also, and the fees are high. Nah, if you're gonna trade, don't use eToro. Don't use Coinbase also. I know a lot of people are trading with Trust Wallet. I wouldn't do that. Good morning, guys. I do have to go soon. I am going out. I'm gonna go have fun a little bit. Any of you know Satoshi Plus? No, we don't know. Does MEXC work like KuCoin, which doesn't need KYC for less than 1 Bitcoin? No, I believe it's 2 Bitcoins. eToro got hacked? I didn't know eToro got hacked. How did eToro get hacked? I had no idea. Yeah, I could check the burn stats for Luna. I mean, first of all, this is the top burning entities and wallet. So yeah, I mean, these are the stats right now. They're looking pretty good. 869 for MEXC. If we look at the circulating supply, it's still decreasing. It's still decreasing. The circulating supply is decreasing by day. We're pretty much under 6 trillion right now. How does KuCoin affect MEXC? KuCoin doesn't affect MEXC whatsoever. MEOVR? Moon River? Oh, Moon River. Moon River is a Polkadot ecosystem. Holy crap, 63 million market cap. Moon River was like, it was a parachain, wasn't it? Wasn't Moon River a parachain? I'm pretty sure it was. I mean, I'm not a big Polkadot fan, but damn, we were at $882 million. That is crazy. Yes, deposit and withdrawals, you don't need KYC for less than 2 Bitcoins. I was personally starting with eToro because I thought it was the safest, but maybe not then. Listen, eToro is safe, but to withdraw, it's a whole pain. To deposit, it's a whole pain. It takes days, it takes weeks, it takes hours. It's, you know, you're not in control of your account. So that's that. Binance is doing 1.2% burn right now on deposit and withdrawals only. Nothing too crazy. MJ. Love you too. Yeah, Lunc is looking okay. This is the Lunc chart. Let's see what happens. Stochastic RSI aren't looking so good overall. They're not looking so good. Guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram group, the link is pinned to the chat on top. Make sure you join that Telegram group. And let's get to 100 likes real quick. Hit that like. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Do I think Moon River will survive the bear market? That's a good question. Listen, the Polkadot ecosystem is good, but after what happened with Akala, I mean, it was just a whole disaster. So all of us should, yes. You should definitely move to. You should definitely, yes. Move to MEXC, and not only do you support the community, but you also support me. So I don't ask for donations. I don't ask you guys to donate money to me. I don't ask you guys to do anything. So if you use my link, it's a plus for me. So not only will it be good for the Luna community, but it would be good for me as well. And it's good for you too. I mean, you get a bonus. You get a bonus as well. So you get a bonus. Crypto Dose ends in 17 days, 21 hours, 48 minutes, 34 seconds. So you get a bonus. You get to help the Luna family, and you also get to help me. So it's a win-win-win for everyone. Guys, this is what happens right here when you trade with ADX leverage. This is a demo account. I'm just going back. Someone said right here, can you do 75x? Yes. This is what happens right here. Down $4,000. Do you want to be trading with literally, you know, ADX leverage? No. Could you do a video on transferring my tokens over? If you can do that, please. Transferring your tokens from where to where? What do you mean? I'm not holding Cardano. They did way too many promises. I'm not a big fan of Cardano. Not a big fan. And guys, if you want to deposit your money, 1 second. Just give me a second. Guys, if you want to deposit your money on MEXC, what you want to do pretty much is you're going to hit wallet right here. You're going to hit overview, and then you're going to hit deposit. And the easiest way to do it is... no, dude, you can't do... Okay, I see. You can't do eToro to MEXC exchange because this is exactly what I was trying to explain. eToro, guys, is not a... you can't do it. It's a... You don't own the asset. So if you have USDT, it's not... You don't really hold USDT. But what you want to do if you do hold USDT is you want to go right here, click TRC20, your contract will be right here, or your address will be right here. And then, you know, that's pretty much, that's about it. You deposit your money like that. So you want to withdraw. You want to go on the other exchange, hit withdraw, and then this exchange you want to hit deposit, and then make sure you use the same network. So if you're gonna withdraw, on the Binance Smart Chain, make sure you use the Binance Smart Chain. If you're gonna withdraw on the ERC, make sure you deposit on the ERC. That's it. RSI on the 15 minutes looks okay. I like RSI for the longer time frames, but we could have a look at the RSI on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, RSI on the 15 minutes is okay. Yeah, it's nothing. I don't see anything. Maybe stochastic RSI, we could get a different. Okay, so on the stochastic RSI, it seems like we're trying to flip right here and we failed, but we're gonna have to see. It's looking okay. It's looking decent. Nothing too crazy. MEXC is, listen, I don't know what kind of exchanges you guys are using. Me personally, I did an MEXC. Okay, first of all, for those of you guys who don't use exchanges like Binance, MEXC, KuCoin, you need to move into these exchanges. A lot of people are trading on MetaMask. They're trading on, I don't know what they're trading on Trust Wallet, Cold Wallets. You can't trade on these things. It's very, very, very expensive. On MEXC, on Binance, you could save tons of money, especially on MEXC. They have no maker fee right now at the moment. Thank you, Daryl. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Of course, guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram chat channel, make sure you do. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. It will keep. It will really motivate me to essentially come back and keep doing these videos for you guys. So if you haven't, make sure you do. And yeah. Someone said, what do I think of crypto.com? I like crypto.com. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Yeah, Binance is good. Binance is definitely good, but Binance also is not doing the burn. So if you really want to help the community, you could go on MEXC. It's not a problem. Yeah, MetaMask is good for, NFTs and all that stuff. Nothing else. Is using the MEXC app easier than the computer? Yeah, MEXC, I use it mostly on my phone. I use it mostly on my phone, yes. Let me see. Anyways, guys, any other questions? USD2? Yeah, I mean, USD2 will be big. I mean, listen, what do you mean big? It's USD2. It's a stable coin for Kadena. I mean, Kadena is going to be a big coin. I'm about to drop another $1,000 on Kadena. I mean, 311 million market cap. The second this goes below $300 million, I'm going to buy another $1,000 on KDA. I'm just going to keep accumulating that. Kadena is for the long term. It's going to be here in 2024, 2025, and that's about it. I love Kadena. I love the ecosystem. Barcelona, Bayern. Definitely Bayern. Definitely Bayern. 100%. Bayern Munich, 100%. Not financial advice. Are they playing today? Oh, hell yeah, they're playing. Woo! All right. Bayern, yeah, hell yeah. Bayern is winning. Yeah. I mean, listen, it's the return of Lewandowski at where are they playing? Allianz Arena. Wow, this is going to be big. This is going to be a big game. They're playing in 20 minutes, right? No, guys, you know what? Kadena's not really trending. Yeah, that's the thing. Kadena's not trending now. You guys, I mean, you don't want to essentially follow the trend. I mean, yeah, you do. The trend is your friend, but you want to get into the coins before it starts with a trend because, guys, come on. Solana. How many of you guys got into Solana when it was really $2, $3, right? No one. No one. My friend did. My friend made $800,000 from a Solana buy. So, I mean, I think Kadena is gonna beat Solana in my opinion. 300 million market cap. Of course, it's not trending. It's a low cap coin. This thing can 100, 200x in 2024. Thank you, Daryl. Thank you. Thank you, Daryl. I appreciate it. Awesome. You're amazing. I think that I think that Bayern takes it today. Remember when Lewandowski was at Dortmund? Lewandowski was he? I mean, if he was for a year. I don't remember him being at Dortmund. Oh yeah, he was at Dortmund. I remember. Yes, I do remember, but it wasn't for so long. It was for like a couple years. Let's see, 1 second. So a $1,000 investment will make you rich in 2024. $100 investment. I don't know about $100 investment, but assuming $1,000 right now divided by 1.57 on Cadena, okay, that's 636 Cadenas. I think 636 Cadenas can go to $80. That's $50,000 from a $1,000 investment. That's 50x, okay? 50x is pretty good. Now, assuming you put $1,000 right every month for the next 6 months, right? So that would be $6,000. And assuming Cadena keeps going down and you average Cadena at, let's say, 1.27, I'm just throwing, or 1.28, I'm just throwing a number, that's 4,687 Cadenas. Assuming that thing goes to $87, that's $407,812. So that's assuming you put $1,000 every month into KDA for the next 6 months. Yes, that's how much money you could make. That's very doable in my opinion. With the market cap this low and whatever they can do, yes. This is not a dream token. I mean, this is not some BS thing. I mean, guys, the market cap is very low. 283,000 people on the watch list is good. It's very good. And it's in the top 150. It's in the top 150. Exactly. Anyways, guys, this is really my quick live on Luna. I do have to go, and unfortunately, you know, I don't have my whole setup here. The internet is slow, the Wi-Fi is slow, but I do appreciate everyone joining this live. I will be doing these live streams, and I will keep updating you guys, not only in the Telegram group, but also in my YouTube channel. So if you guys like these daily updates, don't forget to smash that like, smash that subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Love you all. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Drink water. Don't forget to eat. Don't stay in front of the computer all day. Do your walks. Do your push-ups. Move around. Do jumping jacks. Stay healthy. Peace out, guys.